AC car is an expensive facility and it requires treatment. There are a few tips to take care of the car air conditioner. The car cabin should be in clean condition. If there is dust and dirt enters into the air conditioning, this will make the air conditioner clogged. As a consequence, AC is not going to be cold. Besides that, the air produced is also unhealthy and smelly. Do not ever smoke in the car, even if the AC is off. Do not turn on the AC when the car is warming. If the car is in stable condition, you can turn on the AC. Otherwise, when you want to turn off the engine, first turn off the AC. Try to park the car in the shade, so that when you're back and want to turn on the AC, the workload is not too heavy. Perform routine inspections and services.